Hey everybody, this is Rajesh. I'm the Senior Manager of Marketing for Data Dynamics, and welcome to the second episode of Workcos. In the first episode, you might have heard about of my colleague talking about the tips to maintain your work-life balance. She had pretty good insights. Today, I'm going to talk about some tips to help you improve your productivity in your work. Specifically, I'm going to give you 5 tips, and those 5 tips are something which I follow, and has helped me a lot. Tip number 1, set clear goals. You need to define specific and achievable goals for each day and each week. Having a clear direction helps you prioritize your task and stay focused on what is important. Tip number 2 is prioritize and organize. You need to identify the most critical tasks. You need to prioritize them over the other tasks. And you need to finalize this task basis their importance and their deadlines. So once you organize, and the other thing is you need to organize your workspace, right? Do not have a messy or a cluttered workspace. That way, it will help you to minimize your distractions and locate necessary resources very quickly. Tip number 3 is how do you manage your time effectively? One technique which I follow is block your calendar, time blocking, right? So if you have a certain task which needs to be done, block your calendar saying that, you know what guys, I'm busy from 1 to 2 in this task, right? So once you start blocking calendar and give dedicated time slots for each of the activity, it will help you to avoid multitask and just stay focused on one task at a time. Tip number 4 is to minimize distractions. Again, you need to identify and minimize potential distractions in your work environment. This could include as something as simple as turning off your mobile notifications, closing irrelevant tabs, and thus helping you to create a very quiet and focused workspace. And tip number 5, which is most critical, is take regular breaks. Breaks are essential for maintaining your productivity and avoiding burnout. Take short breaks after each task, right? So you finish a task of 1 hour, say, take a 10-minute stretching break. Right, go out, stretch yourself, come back, have a cup of tea, have a cup of hot coffee, relax. That way, it will help you to, to keep your mind fresh. It will also help you to avoid burnout. I hope you find these tips quite helpful in your professional life. In case you want to know more about us, do follow our page and reach out to us, and we'll get back to you soon. Thank you.